So here's a before picture for my wet cleaning of this Spider-Man book. Got some wrinkles here. We'll press out some dirt and then we will do a comparison. So the first thing I do, take this book. I'm going to steam the front of it a little bit here. So the steam's coming up. Relax and give up. It's right here. Watch the bottom. It's going to start curling. There we go. It's going to start curling. Especially in this end. See those wrinkles a little bit in the cover? Spinner, just relax. There we go. Curling up nice. That's a nice one. That's what it's supposed to look. Then we just let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let that dirt kind of soak out of it a little bit. Then we just take this pad. We got some soap solution and see this dirty area here. We just kind of wipe it off like that. And look at that. Look how much we got off in just one swipe here. Just kind of wipe this off. Yep, a lot of it's coming off. So we just let it sit. We just soaked it for, look at, this is how much dirt that we removed from the cover of this book in about, I don't know, a minute and a half maybe. Let it dry out a little bit and then we're gonna do this twice before we press it. Let it dry for about 10 or 15 minutes and just in the air.